What are you doing, Judy?
Hello. Now just only we make rice dumplings because we are celebrating the Dragon Boat Festival. So now we make rice dumplings. That we need is pork belly and mushroom and scallop, green bean, and glutinous rice. And to clean the lid, soak in 24 hours. Then just clean nicely. Wash. Use a paper or tissue to and this. Later, we continue. Like that. We put the rice, glutinous rice. That. And green beans. And then egg yolk, the salty egg, and 1 pork, just only one, no need to, and scallop, we need again another dips. We're not sure if we can do it this, so since we are practicing, so we try our best to close this rice dumplings. We need this. It's not easy, but if you like to do it, have it. That is rice dumplings. We make already rabbit, so we make another. Now start to cook the rice dumplings. We make it. So first, we boil the water. When the water is boiling, it's boiling already the water, we put the rice dumpling. So we put like this. Be careful because the water is so hot. And cover it. And we need to load the fire because we need to cook this one 2 hours. So just load the fire. And we wait until it's done. See you later. Put down the dumplings. Let's try to open. We check if already cooked. It's already cooked. Done. Let me try. It's okay, yeah? It's good. You will eat.